Hello people, so this is my sixth video of the day, and I have to say this people that there's this book called Barack Obama Dreams from My Father. Oh my god, when you read this book it suddenly occurs to you that President Obama is like he came from such a I won't even say regular background, because basically he had seen his dad, I think, only like twice in his life. Just speaking about it is making me emotional, So it's, once as a, I think, 9-year old or 11-year-old, and then once when he was, I think in his teens. But even that second visit was, it like there's a lot of angst, and despite all of this, President Barack Obama went on to be the president of the United States. So that kind of teaches us, yeah, that no matter what the circumstances you go through, it's possible to emerge a winner. So just on those basis, I would highly recommend Barack Obama's Dreams from My Father, and it speaks about his entire journey before he became the president of America. So beautiful book, and so it goes beyond ratings, really, like it's so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.